Hey April, this is Samantha from Feed Me Leads. We spoke on the phone and I told you that I was going to be sending you over the screencast. And so here it is. I want to keep it really short and sweet. I just want to go through your site really quickly. I want to go through one of your competitor sites really quickly. And then I'm actually going to give you 3 ways that you can use today for free to start bringing in more traffic to your site. And so I send these screencasts out, and often when business owners see what I do, how I do it, and how much work is put into it, they decide that they want to team up. So if you watch this through and you feel the same, please do not hesitate to reach out to me. Without further ado, let's get into it. So here I am on 58foundations.com. I've pulled up the Richmond, Virginia page. I know that 58 Foundations is based in a lot of different areas, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to keep it to Richmond, Virginia. And so we can scroll through and I can see that you guys actually have a good amount of content. And so Google's going to be ranking your site based off of around 200 different factors. One of those key factors is going to be content, and you want to have at least 1,000 to 1,500 words on here. You guys have 1,376. So you have a good amount of content, and it looks like it is quality educational content, but we would definitely want to add the appropriate amount of high volume and relevant keywords so that we can get you ranked for all of the right things. And so over here, I've jumped onto Google. The keyword that I'll be using for today's video is mold remediation Richmond, VA. This is a really great keyword. It brings in over 150 searches per month. So if you were to just convert a few of those into customers, you'd be doing really well for just one keyword. And so underneath the search bar here is typically where we're going to see Google Ads. Google Ads are a really great way to get your name out there and build brand recognition, especially while you're waiting for your SEO to warm up. However, if you don't know what you're doing, you can actually waste a lot of money on these. But if you do, they are a really good way to get things moving more quickly. And so underneath where the ads would usually be, now here at the top, we have our Google Map Pack. And so the Google Map Pack is a great spot to be at. If you can be in one of these top 3 spots, you'll get to the top of the front page. And in order to do that, you have to have a lot of citations. And so a citation is just when your business is listed on an online local directory. So Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Yext would all be good examples of directories that people trust and use a lot. And so you want to be on a lot of those, and particularly on more of them than these 3 businesses are right here at the top. And so if I scroll down, here are the organic search results. So this should definitely be the main area of focus. They are the best long-term return on investment, and that is because Google has actually come out and said that over 70% of people, when they type something in, they are going to click on one of these organic search results, and it's almost always going to be one towards the top of the first page. And so right here, we can click on the number 1 company page that comes up for this keyword. And we can go through and we can see that they have a decent amount of content, but they have less than you have. They actually have 887 words. So you've already beat them out with the amount of content. We want to make sure that you have those keywords like they probably do. Also, the main way that you're actually going to get up here is through backlinks. And so a backlink is basically just a shout out from another website. You want to get these shout outs or backlinks from high powered and relevant sites. So, for example, if a plumbing company or construction company were to give you a backlink, that would be a really good way for you to bring in more power to your website. And so over here, I've jumped onto Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a really great tool. If you ever try and do this on your own, I highly suggest it. However, it is a little pricey. It costs me around $400 a month to use, but it gives me a lot of great information. So right here, I typed in the competitor that we were just looking at, and I can see that they have 49 backlinks from 18 different domains and are ranking for 56 keywords. So here I can actually click and see which keywords they're ranking for. So here it'll tell me the keyword, how many people search for that keyword every month, and what position they hold for that keyword on Google and how much traffic that brings in for them. And so we can go through, see which ones are applicable to your business, and we can incorporate those into your content. And so now I'm going to go back, and the same way that I just went through all of their keywords, I can actually go through their backlinks as well. And so it's not enough just to have as many backlinks as they have. We want to have better quality ones. So we want ones that have a high DR domain rating. So we can go through here and pick and choose which ones we want to snag for your site. We can get some from here, some from other competitors, and find some on our own. So they have 46. So that is not very many, but keep in mind that this is just one competitor for one keyword for one of the services you provide and in one of the areas that you provide them. And so we want to beat out all of your competition. And so right here, I have typed in your site. And so as you can see, we definitely could do some work on the site for Richmond, Virginia. So to basically just recap what we talked about is number one, we want more content with rich keywords in there that bring in a lot of volume. Number two, we want more citations to get you ranked on the map pack. And then number three, we want more high powered backlinks. And so that's what I have for you for today. Hopefully you enjoyed watching this and got something out of it. If you are interested in learning more, you can reach out to me. You can email me back, or you can give me a call. My number is 714-975-5909. So thank you for watching, and I hope to hear from you soon.